Dubai's CPI jumps 5.84% and Snap to slow hiring after shares sink 25%. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Dubai's consumer price index jumped by 5.84% year-on-year to 105.35 points in June. On a monthly basis, Dubai's CPI rose by 1.23% in June when compared to May. The Dubai Statistics Center says higher inflation was driven by a 35.76% rise in the prices of recreation, sport and culture, a 33.32% rise in the cost of transport, and an 8.94% rise in the price of food and beverages. Qatar Airways has inked a deal with Boeing for 25 737 MAX aircraft. It's the plane maker's largest single-aisle jet with a seating capacity of up to 230 passengers. Boeing says the jet can cover 99% of the world's single-aisle routes and boasts improved economics, fuel efficiency, and sustainable operations. The euro is headed for its best week since May this morning after the European Central Bank raised borrowing costs more than expected overnight in its first rate hike since 2011. The ECB says it expects inflation to remain high for some time, and it raised interest rates by 50 basis points, not the expected 25 basis points based on this forecast. Snapchat's owner plans to substantially slow recruitment after its bleak results wiped 25% off its stock price. Shares of Snap tumbled more than 25% after the company reported net losses of $422.1 million during the second quarter of the year, much worse than analysts expected. Snap's net losses nearly tripled in Q2 from the $152 million loss it posted a year earlier. Revenues for Q2 rose 13% to $1.1 billion, but still missed analyst estimates of $1.14 billion. Besides Snap's poor performance, Wall Street's main indices closed higher, boosted by a late afternoon rally and gains in heavyweight growth stocks, including Tesla. The tech-heavy Nasdaq added 1.4% to lead the gains, while the S&P closed at its highest level since June 9th. The Dow climbed 0.5%. Amazon and Apple each rose 1.5%, with both companies set to report their earnings on July 28th. Tesla's shares surged 9.8%. And that strong performance from Tesla had a big impact on Elon Musk's personal wealth. In today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, Musk is our biggest winner, up $17.2 billion overnight, with net wealth of $253 billion. Our second biggest winner today is Oracle's Larry Ellison, up $3.2 billion, with net wealth of $102.9 billion. And our third place winner is LVMH's Bernard Arnault and family, up $1.9 billion, with net wealth of $156.5 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. U.S. authorities have arrested a former Coinbase employee and two others for allegedly using confidential information from the crypto brokerage to commit insider trading. It's the first case of its kind in the nascent crypto industry. They knew about the timing and the content of upcoming token listings on the platform. Ahead of the announcement, they allegedly purchased the crypto assets and then sold them shortly after they listed, generating more than $1.1 million in illicit profits. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.